Good morning, good evening, good afternoon. I hope everybody's having an awesome day. My day just got flipping crazily spectacular. I mean, I don't deserve all this. I'm gonna start by saying that. I, I'm beyond ecstatic and grateful for this, Mr. Pete. But I got a box from Pete Blair, aka the Mad Scientist. Y'all can't see me because the box is taking up my box. It's a big box, y'all. Um, but he messaged me and told me that he was gonna make a wood burner for me out of a soldering station. He likes to convert some tools and stuff, aka the Mad Scientist, and so that's just too cool. I'm ecstatic to get that. But and also he said along with that he was gonna send me a few pieces of wood. I thought just a couple of pieces of wood. I mean, he's already sent me so much as it is. But I started getting into this box, and oh my goodness, Mr. Pete, all I can say is thank you so much, sir. Uh, Gracious, just thank you so much. Y'all, this is just too cool. I'm gonna pull some stuff out of the way first. This is yeah, this is part of the part of the wood burner, but there's so much in here I got to go through that just to get to everything, right? But oh my goodness, y'all. I think this is yeah. We're in the camera there, okay. I can't see what I'm recording because it's all up here and I can just see what y'all see in my face right there. I can see that camera. But I don't know what this is. I'll have to ask. But it's some type of burl, of course. But it is just too cool. There's 3 pieces of this piece in there. Spalted right here. Oh, I think that's spalted maple. I'm not sure. Oh, I'm not sure. I will have to ask him and write all that down. We don't know what that piece is. I think I got a piece of this from him already too. Then a big chunk of pear. Nice. Alright, there is so much in here, yo. This is just this. I gotta set some of this off to the side so I can get to everything in here This is those burl pieces. That is just too cool. There's 3 big pieces of that right there. That is just flipping awesome right there. I think that's cool. We'll set that there. We got some big, goodness gracious. Another piece of spalted maple. Big old piece of spalted maple. What we got here? Mars bars. Thank you, Mr. Pete. Look at all this. That's a lot. Goodness gracious. We got holly, some more maple. The color in that, yo. Oh, I love that. What is this? This is another piece of spalted maple. Yeah. That is just too cool. Thank you, Mr. Pete. I love all that maple. Don't know. There you go. Oh, that is just too cool. That's heavy. Don't know what that is either. Oh, look at that. Another piece of spalted maple. Mr. Pete, thank you so much for this. Oh, check that out. Now that's a thin little booger right there. Wow. Wow, that's too cool. I like that. That's not going back in the box. I don't want to break that. Wow. Look at that. I like that. That's in the bark, looks like. Yeah, that's in the bark. I don't know what that is. Is that cherry? Or walnut? I don't know. So just fill it. Oh, it's the kernel. That is cool. Thank you so much, Mr. Pete. That is some awesome stuff right there. All right. Gonna grab this and set that there. I'm gonna put all the wood. Oh, my bad. I'm gonna put all the wood pieces back in here real quick. Set those back onto the side. Gracious, Mr. Pete, you have way outdone yourself on that there, sir. You have way outdone yourself. Alright, this is the mad scientist aspect of the deal. Right here. Awesome. Look at that. That's awesome. And then we go back, get into here. Oh, now here we go with some wire and some tips that he made. He told me he was making some tips and everything. That is just too cool right there. He told me he was making some tips and stuff, so this is cool. But he actually made a hole. Check this out. Check that out. That is too cool. Check that out. And then we'll plug that in right there. Oh, that's on and off right there with that switch. That is nice. I like that, Mr. Pete. We're going to be playing with that very soon. Very soon for sure. 22 gauge. Okay, we got that. That is too cool. That is too cool. And then did you make all these tips here, Mr. Pete? That is too cool. All right, y'all. I'm gonna shut this off. Goodness gracious, this is gonna be cool. I'm not gonna plug this up and try this out just yet because I got to. I'll start burning all night tonight, and it's too late for that. So I won't try this out until tomorrow. That way I don't start doing too much tonight. But thank you so much, Mr. Pete. Everybody, y'all go check out Mr. Pete's channel. Oh my goodness, I'm gonna have a link for it in the description. I'm so ecstatic. And that box, oh my goodness, that's just too cool. I cannot thank you enough for all that. I'm gonna make some beautiful pins, some clips. There's my brain's going 100 miles an hour with that right there. But everybody, y'all, thank you so much for tuning in. Y'all have an awesome day, awesome night. Remember, stay awesome, stay laid back, and remember, it's my job to be the happiest grumpy y'all have seen, because man, y'all are making me pretty happy. Yeah. Thank you so much. Y'all have an awesome night. God bless everybody.